Okay, hello students. So today I have come up with a few problems related to median. Actually, I have already discussed what median is and how you formulate discussion related to less than type cumulative frequency distribution and more than type cumulative frequency distribution. Okay, so here I have come up with one question. This is basically from your NCERT book itself. So without wasting much time, let's go into this. A survey regarding the heights in centimeter of 51 girls of class 10 of a school. There are plenty of girls. You can see 51 girls. We don't have as much. Of class 10 of a school was conducted and the data is given below. The data is less than number of students, that is number of girls whose height is less than 140 is 4. Number of girls whose less than 145 is 11, and number of girls whose height is less than 150 is 29, and it goes on. 155 is 40, less than 160 is 46, less than 165 is 51. This data is very clear. Now once you see it is written less than, what does this mean? This means whatever is given here is not your frequency but your cumulative frequency. How do you know this? Because initially when in the preceding lecture when we discussed less than type and more than type, that was our discussion. When we consider less than, number of girls whose height is less than 140 means 4. Now you add some more. Number of girls whose height is less than 145 is 11. That means 7 more girls have been added. Are you understanding? Here 11 plus 18 more girls have been added. 29 plus 11. Are you understanding? So whatever is given here is the cumulative frequency. Now you have the cumulative frequency, you have the class interval. Median is given by L plus N by 2 plus CF divided by F into H. L is median class, lower limit of the median class. N is the number of terms, we have 51 by 2 plus CF. CF is the cumulative frequency and F is the frequency into class size is known. Now we don't have the frequency, isn't it? So here is the twist. Here we need to formulate the frequency corresponding to the class intervals. Now you'll write class interval, frequency, cumulative frequency. We have the cumulative frequency here. Class interval will be less than 140 means below 140. You have to write in this way. Now less than 145 means in the range 140 to 145. Then again in the range 145 to 150, so on and so forth. Now 4 students below 140, frequency 4, fine. 11 students are having height in less than 145. So less than 145 means 4 means less than 140 also, and less than 145 means in those who are incorporated in this range and also in this range. So 4 plus something will give you 11. So this something will be, sorry I have written 11 minus 4, that will be 7. So 4 plus 7, you can see 4 plus 7 is 11. Are you understanding? 29. So 29 here what we will get? Okay, let me rub this out. 11 plus 18 is 29. Okay, 29 plus 11 is 40. 40 plus 6 is 46. 46 plus 5 is 51. Are you understanding? What you will do? What you will do? The same thing. 4, then we have 11. So if we have 7 here, then we will get 11, right? Are you understanding? So 11 minus 4 is 7. 29 minus 11 is 18. 40 minus 29 is 11. 46 minus 40 is 6. So on and so forth. This is how it goes. So now we have everything. We have the frequency also. So now we got to know our median class, isn't it? So it's not plus, it should be minus here. We got to know our median class. So median class, how will you know? Median class is n by 2. So n by 2. N is how much? 51. So 51 by 2 will be 25.5. So 25.5 will lie somewhere here, and corresponding to this the frequency will be where is it? This is the third term, right? 145 to 150. So median class will be 145 to 150. This is our median class, isn't it? So what is the lower limit of the median class? That is 145. So median will be 145 plus n by 2 is 25 14.5 minus cumulative frequency of the preceding model class. So preceding is 11. 11 divided by frequency will be 18 into 5. So this will be 145 plus how much? 26, 15, 14.5, right? 14.5. Is this fine? Divided by 18 into 5. So is this clear to everyone? So I hope it is clear. Just we are extracting the information out of the table and putting it in the formula, and we are substituting it in the formula. So now it's fairly simple, I think. So 145 plus what you can do is you can multiply this by 10. This will give you 145 by, once you multiply this will be 180 into 5. So 5 1 5 3 6. So 36. So 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 3 8s are 24.5. So this will be around. Let me simplify it. Okay, let me rub this out. We have 145. So we have 145 plus 14.5 divided by 18 into 25. So this I have written it as 145 and this as 180. So this will give you, no, it's not 25, it's 5. 5 1 3 6. Okay, now 36 directly, let me do it directly. Okay, 36 into 4 is how much? Let's try it with 120, 132, 138, around 4. So 4 point something. 36 into 4 is how much? 4 24, 18, 4 3 is 12, 144. So we have 1. So 1. So 4.0 something. 4 point something, 02 something. So you will get 145 plus 4.02, around 4.02. That's what you get, isn't it? 4.01, like that. So you will get around 149 point. So that will be almost be equal to 149. Okay. So this will be a median. Are you understanding? So this is how you do. Basically, you need to know the median class. After you are able to extract the median class out of the data, you can solve it pretty easily. Okay, so this is how it goes. Calculation part you can do it on your own because I am not insisting so much on it, but the concept has to be clear. Okay, so hope everything is clear to you all. I was willing to do some more problems, but due to the limitations in the duration of the video, I have to stop here. Hope this discussion is okay. If you have any issues, do let me know. And in the next class, obviously, we got to do all these things in terms of graphical representation. So see you then. Thank you so much.